Imagine a place where the river and the sea meet, where countless trees rise from the water. This place is called the Sundarbans, a wonderful, mysterious and beautiful place. The Sundarbans, a magical blend of water and land. Here tigers roam. The air of the Sundarbans is filled with the sounds of nature, birds chirping, fish splashing, leaves rustling. The Sundarbans is like a beautiful melody of nature. You can get lost in its beauty. The Sundarbans reminds us of the immense power of nature, a wondrous place that will fascinate you for a long time. The Sundarbans is truly a special place. The Sundarbans sits on the edge of India and Bangladesh. Huge rivers have formed this vast delta. The Ganges, Brahmaputra and Meghna rivers meet in the Bay of Bengal. This has created a network of waterways. These waterways are full of diverse wildlife. The Sundarbans is the largest mangrove forest in the world. Mangrove trees are a special kind of tree. They can survive in salty water. Their roots are above the water. These roots help them breathe from the soil. The Sundarbans is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is recognized worldwide for its unique environment. The Sundarbans is an important part of our planet. The Sundarbans is a paradise for wildlife. It has many different kinds of plants and animals. Mangrove trees are the most important trees here. They provide food and shelter for many animals. The Sundarbans is home to the Royal Bengal tiger. This majestic animal is a symbol of the Sundarbans. The tiger is a top predator. They help keep the environment balanced. The Sundarbans also has spotted deer, crocodiles, snakes and many kinds of birds. The Sundarbans reminds us of the beauty and diversity of nature. We must protect this place for future generations. The mangrove trees are the guardians of the Sundarbans. They are essential for the survival of the entire ecosystem. Many different species of mangroves grow here. Each tree plays an important role. The Sundari tree is the most well-known. The Sundarbans is named after this tree. The Goran tree is another important species. Its wood is very strong. This wood is used to make boats. The Kiora tree has special roots. These roots prevent soil erosion. Mangrove trees have many benefits. They protect the coastline from storms and floods, remove pollution from the water, and provide a habitat for fish and other aquatic life. The Sundarbans is not just a refuge for wildlife. People live here too. For centuries, the people here have learned to live in harmony with nature. They have adapted to survive in this unique environment. Fishing is the main source of livelihood for many people. They fish in dangerous waters to support their families. Honey collectors go deep into the forest to collect honey from beehives. It's a dangerous job, but it's an important source of income for them. Life in the Sundarbans is not easy, but the people here are determined. They are proud of their heritage. They are working to preserve their way of life. The rivers of the Sundarbans are its lifeblood. These rivers form an important link between the land and the sea. The rivers are full of fish. They support a vast biodiversity. These rivers also play an important role in the local economy. The rivers are used for transportation and fishing. These rivers are a source of food and income for the people of the Sundarbans. These rivers also help control the flow of water. This helps prevent both floods and droughts. These rivers are essential for the health of the entire ecosystem. The Sundarbans is a paradise for birds. Over 200 species of birds are found here. The sky is filled with the songs of birds. You can hear the calls of kingfishers, herons and egrets. Many migratory birds come to the Sundarbans in winter. They come here from Siberia and Europe. They find shelter here because of the warm weather and plentiful food. The Sundarbans is an important resting place for these birds. Here they rest and regain their strength. Birds play an important role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. They help control insects and disperse seeds. The Sundarbans is our priceless natural heritage. It's an important part of our planet. But the Sundarbans is now in danger. Climate change is a big threat. Rising sea levels are causing the coastline to erode. Pollution is another big problem. Factory waste and agricultural chemicals are polluting the water. This is harming both wildlife and people. Deforestation is another concern. Trees are being cut down for wood and development. We need to take action now to protect the Sundarbans. We need to reduce our carbon emissions. We need to use our resources sustainably. We need to make others aware of the importance of this unique environment. The Sundarbans reminds us of the interconnectedness of all living things. It's a place of beauty, wonder, and hope. Let's all work together to ensure that this vibrant ecosystem survives for future generations.